Here's an amazing looking 3D neon sign that is off the wall that you can make easily, so you do not want to miss this valuable piece of content. So let's get into making this new concept that I designed. You can make this in 3D in Blender, but who cares about digital when you can pluck that out in real life and even make it advanced? By the way, you can click up there in order to know how to make stuff in 3D and learn from the basics. So to start making it, I first ordered the neon lights for just $10 on Amazon, where you can also order in the link in the description below, as this is the most important thing in this entire project. Then I thought of what it is that I'm actually going to write out or draw with that neon effect on. So I thought and thought and thought. Then it struck me. My name. Alright, fine, you can laugh, but a name is good, but you can still go more creative into making this. But your name will look amazing. So then to start somewhere, I chose a good base for this, and I chose a 4x2 wood piece that was just lying in my house. You can use any wood material that you want or whatever you have, but make sure that this base is strong and has a good grip on it, especially with a great height. Then I chose copper wires to make the structure and to help shape with the neon lighting. You can use anything for this, as this is just a path for the neon shaping. So to attach this copper structure after bending the wires to my need, I drilled a hole in the wood and placed the copper stick into the wood and glued it with a glue gun to secure it. And then after repeating the step over and over and also screwing some weird shapes like these, I got the structure where I wanted the neon lights to be shaping on. Then I glued the front side of the structure with the neon lights, and boom, it started having a great shape. Finally, I painted the base and the parts that I wanted to separate black. And now, finally, boom, we completed the awesome looking sign or drawing. This was a very fun DIY to make and just have a great time with. And I hope that you also make it, and in the comment section below, if you make it and would like to share it, tell me in there and you can send me a pic to my email. Thank you for watching. Phew, just about 2 minutes 30 seconds of this video took like about 5 years for my life.